McGamester.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to McGamester HD. I like to stream a lot on Twitch. If you haven't seen me, it's no problem because I don't have so many followers yet. And I don't care, I just like to interact with the people who are watching at the moment. The ones who are following me, who have a great time chatting. So I want to be creative and involve them in the stream some way or another. So for that I need some software to get this thing running. Before I used XSplit. I loved XSplit, but you have to pay for it. And I don't like to pay for it when it can be free. So a friend of mine suggested to use OBS, Open Broadcaster. I tried it for about 2 weeks now and I just love it. It's for free. It has an awesome plugin. You can make your own plugins for it. It's just brilliant. It's just, I don't need XSplit anymore. I'm using OBS. Look behind me at what I created. It's just beautiful, beautiful, I tell you. I'm gonna show you how you can create these things here behind me. And I will do that in 2 parts. First part will be what I created, and the second part will be how I created, like a complete tutorial, so you can do it yourself. And I'm gonna share, of course, everything I made behind me, so you can just import it and just use my default templates. So, without further ado, we're going to the first part. Second part will be a separate video. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so this is the first part where we start off. Again, my name is McGamester HD. You can find me on twitch.tv/McGamester HD. And I play a variety of games. And apparently this is commercial, so let's skip this. Okay, so as I told, I used XSplit. I'm actually now using XSplit to record this. It was the fast way for me. So what you do is download a program called Open Broadcaster software. Just hit the download, and install it. I'm not gonna do the full tutorial here. For that one, check out the second episode. And make sure go to forums, go to plugins, and go to work in progress, and get this one here, browser source plugin. It's awesome. So let's start up OBS. I use the 32-bit because the 64-bit doesn't support the browser plugin which I need for my streaming. So you start off here. I'm not gonna go into much detail here, just show you what I made. I hit preview stream, and there you see. So you can see here my screen, my little man, my chat, which I use, hex chat, and some image. Currently game I'm playing, and the background normally it's playing the game, but now there's no game. So here comes the interesting part. What I do is when I stream something, I'll go for a little break where I talk to my people and you know, have some fun. Sometimes I have in my bag I have a wheel, spinning wheel, like a big one, and I play around, you know, play some games with them. So let's go to the intermission where this happens. So this is the intermission now, and it's pretty darn awesome, I would say myself. I really like this one. The reason is because there's so much interactive stuff going on. You have the clouds like going over me. The background is of course brilliant. I like it. Here top down left corner I have of course the same images just before. I like to use semi-transparent ones, so I can let me edit the scene, and I can just well, you stay there. I can drag and drop it around like this. Say we wanted to have it here. Yeah, there we go. Let's put it there. And I have my chat as well, and this one is on lined paper. I like to add some variation to how I show my chat, and I thought this was kind of a fun thing to do. So basically what you are seeing actually is a few things. The clouds are actually a plugin when you go to properties, you can see it's browser source settings, and I grab from my local sources. I grab an index.html and it renders it. The background is transparent, and what you see flying by are just actually generated CSS3 clouds, and they just move along. It's really nice. It's just like random. It's awesome, and it's all CS 3.0. No JavaScript involved. You can use JavaScript, but you don't have to. And down here you can see my chat window. It's actually Hex Chat, as you can see here, where I logged in. And better than what XSplit does is you can move this screen around. Like I captured the part of the screen right here, but I can move it around without interfering this part. So I'm actually capturing a part of the screen in my window, which I haven't seen, or I haven't found the option in XSplit to do it. So it's way better. And also this plugin, man, I can't stop talking about it. It's awesome. So let me show you another one. There we go. Look at this. These are like realistic clouds. These, by the way, these clouds are not made by myself. I edited them after I found a tutorial on the internet or some code sources, and I used it. And also a little moon is appearing up. I love this one. It's just awesome. So this is basically my my stop screen here right now, and I'll switch over to the next one. Okay, so this is my second screen. This will be the break screen. I still need to add some break here and some instruction and to do what is some of those things. But basically what I got here, let's start off here. This is a little voting system I created. It's still a dummy though, and uses some bars, which is like 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and I can actually let the streamers say something in the IRC chat, like ! vote space and then number 1, 2, 3, or 4, and they could vote for any question I want to ask them. I use a program for this, a PHP script, which is called Pulgin, to read the chat, and based on the chat in the IRC, it will determine what to do. So I can make it actually work this part. For now it's just a dummy, but I'll be working on it. And down here what you can see is some like a little tube. So if I'm on the break, you will be seeing this. It's a YouTube clip with the title above it, and on the right side it's a playlist. If you haven't known this application, it's called ProTube with a point in the middle, and basically you can use it for parties. I like to use it for parties because people can scan this IR code and they can put it into their phone and they can search a song they want. So let me show you how that works. There you go. So basically what it does is you press start using ProTube, and it will generate two links. The first one is your screen, what you will be seeing, the thing that will be rendered on my screen right there. And the second one is the administration, and here you can also search and add stuff to it. You know, any music you want, like Metallica, anything like this. And you click it. There you go. And it's in there, and then it will play here. Really awesome. And people can scan this, like I said, the IR code, and they will send to this link, and they can do the same, but they don't have the power to control this piece. So let's get the one I'm running right now. There we go. This is the link I'm using right now. I could add Metallica to it. Hello? There we go. Let's add this one. And you can hear the music at the background. And when I start the next one, it will switch to the next one automatically. And there you have your little playlist of songs coming up. So this is my second screen. And in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make this yourself. And I will share everything I have. So see you in the next tutorial. Well, that sums up the first part of my tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please comment, subscribe, rate and share it with your friends, or just go to my Twitch and follow me there, and also watch and get interactive with me. Would be awesome. So you can watch the second part of the tutorial right here, there, and maybe there as well. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.